Hello again, a new day and hopefully a new fix. But before starting this, I have to show you some things. I have bought me an USB charger and I really love this. I have 5 ports, a fast charging USB up here and the USB-C desktop. Very nice and solid. It's from a company called Miria and have a total of 60 watts. Very nice. We'll talk about this in a future video. And I have to show you something else. Look what I got me. It's not new, it's a second hand, but this is a great piece of engineering. This is a podcast, recording, studio, live, anything you like in a single device. Yamaha AG03, a mic preamp for condenser with 48 volts. Everything you want. Volumes, headphones out, microphone in. All kind of this, and also a special software with equalizer and compressor and some other things. This is exactly what you need for a YouTube video or YouTube streaming or related to recording audio, having your own videos and stuff like that. Really nice machine. We're gonna talk about this also in the future video. Okay, let's see our patient today. It's a very old ASUS. I'll do this job for free. Belongs to a kid in the neighborhood, so that's an ASUS X51L Core Duo processor. First of all, I can see a strange power input probably. And let's check the power input. Nothing. So that's very clear. The power input, it's in the air. Battery here. I'm gonna check that too. Maybe we can reach that. Okay, can we reach that from here? I really don't understand what's happening there. I can see a piece of wire in the air. Let me have the fan out. Maybe I can take the back cover without dismantling everything. 2 giga. Okay, do we have a hard drive? Or maybe that's exactly what he meant when he said he's got no memory. I will put a hard disk inside. CD here. This should go out. Yeah. Problem solved. Oh, no chance. Because we need to take out the keyboard. Yeah. What is the next one? Here. And here. We should go back in place there. Water? Kind of. Hopefully it's no problem. Screws. Some other screws. That's the old time. So I can say now. At least 32 screws for now. And I'm pretty sure a few of them are missing. Okay. Are we clear? Hopefully. But you know something? The hinges are still there. And okay, maybe we got this too. Okay, come on up. I don't see any more. The CD? No. Here? No. Maybe the fan? Pretty clean. What is going with the board? Wow. I didn't expect that. How can we do this? Maybe the top. I think this should go out. What else? Something behind here. Okay, guys. I think we have 2 screws behind the screen. Look there. 1, 2. How can I get those, guys? Don't tell me. I have to take the screen out. This is nuts. Yeah, we got screws there. This is an impossible task. Oh yeah. There we go. And there we have, look there, good people. There we have the screen connector, ground. I'm not worried about the battery because the battery is empty anyway. Okay, this is out. Another guy here. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Look at this, guys. At least it's fun. But anyway, this is a tank. Pum pum. This is nuts. I have to open everything here, you know, just to see about a power connector. Okay. Wi-Fi antennas. I can't believe it that. Yeah, it's plenty of water or something. Look here. But at least this one is looking okay. Do we got problems here? I don't think so. Alright, you must be kidding me. I have to take out the board to see the power connection. Oh no! This is this is the most amazing picture. This is water. It's looking like. Anyway, I can't do anything because I don't know if the board is still working. Or at least it's taking some power. Okay. What else? What else? I really don't understand. With 40,000 screws and I'm not still be able to take this out. Headphones, USB port. Okay, we are out of there. And we should go out of here too. Yeah, really? It's like glued. Well, very funny. I still not understanding what is keeping those things. Okay. Now we are here. So what we got here? Let me take this out too, because I need to check the thermal paste and the other stuffs also. Yeah, that's not bad. We got an Intel SLA4D. I think it's Intel Core 2 megahertz. Okay. And that's the power supply, or it should be the power supply. Let's check that out. Do we got any kind of... Let's check for short first. Oh, it's looking good. But nothing. It's good, but nothing. Okay, let me take out that connector. Let's check this guy. Plus should be the middle. I can't believe it. Oh, it's okay. Yes, it is. There. Yeah. That should be okay. Once again. Look there. How comes? That's a very clear capacitor connection. This one is very possible. The connection from that plus up there to behind the board here, it should be obstructed. And now, because we just put some soldering on it to get good again, I found no other connectors, so we'll do an improvisation for now. Power supply, it's on. Let's check the voltages. Yes, finally. What I'm expecting here? Any LED? Anything? So this is ground. What we got here? Nothing. 19 there. Okay, what about here? Nothing. Nothing. These little guys. Nothing. And nothing. Any more coils? Nothing. Let's see the MOSFETs. 19. This is the power resistor here. 19 here, we are good. 19 there, perfect. 19 here, absolutely okay. I'm not sure which is power on. I think it's this one. You know something, let me have the fan. No LED. We should have some LEDs this side here somewhere. We have power. The board is working, that's for sure. Now we can check for some, but it went back down. No fan, no spinning, but at least let's check some voltages. It's steady on, that's a good sign. And I can feel the CPU a little warm, that's good. Let's go the other side. Yes, the CPU, it's warm, that's a good sign. Absolutely, yes. So 19. Oh, look there, we got the fan spinning. Nice. 1.5, perfect. 1.5, perfect. Nothing here, but I think this is for the battery. I think that's for the battery. The BIOS battery there. I need 3 volts. 18 there. 5, perfect. We have 5, 1.5. We should have 3 volts somewhere around here. Working. Now let's have memory back in place. Screen. The power is off. Power on. And nothing. Oh yeah. And I saw another 2 LEDs here, but nothing on the screen. Why? We have backlight, but look here. The screen, it's in bad shape. Reboot and select proper boot device. Okay, so the board is working. This is nice, but evidently here we have a problem with the screen, and that's something else to do about. So far I can say the board is working. This is the important thing. I'll try to find another screen for this guy. And I think that's it for today. I don't want to bother you anymore with finding a new connector, a new screen. The most important thing is done. The board, it's working. This is absolutely okay. I hope it's useful. Thank you for now. See you soon with some other adventures, and hopefully I'll see you subscribing. Please like and subscribe, and like usually, don't forget to have fun. Bye bye.